Hi, welcome back. Another important tip my end. So, how to find the latest version of IDOC types in real time? This IDOC type we'll call it as a basic type also. Okay. Basically, I have already explained IDOC, which is the information container in which is linked with in the form of segments and fields with the help of message types, and it will push the data or else it will receive the data. Okay, in simple way. If you talk about practical sense. Okay, so yesterday we have seen all these are the different kind of message types: orders SP, order change, invoice, okay, inbound delivery, decided, and shipment. All these things we have seen. Okay, now let's see. Suppose if you take orders, what is the uh, latest version? Okay, so if you would like to know, okay, just I will, before going ahead, I would like to tell, if you are not yet subscribed, you can subscribe my channel to get more important inputs like this. If you currently I'm holding 5,000 plus students, and this is my top course, more than 106 hours, and on SD discussion itself. This is my course actually. If you want to learn full course, you can subscribe this course. I have different, everyone must do these two courses: getting master to write functional specification and IDOCs. And I have few other courses on real time, which gives the depth of your learning for S4 HANA and ECC. Totally 20 plus courses are there. I'm just providing these links below this video. If you really want it, you can give it a try. Now let's see on SAP system how it works for you. The transaction code is WE30. Remember this. Okay. So for example, ORDER, okay, orders, right? Let's keep the star from your keyboard. Either depends on the laptop or desktop. Function F4, you press it, or else F4. Okay, if the function key is activated, you can able to see this orders. I think you are not seeing the full screen, right? When you press this one, right? This is for purchase in on sales. Like by using this basic type, you can able to create either purchase order, and you can able to create purchase order that will be converted into the sales order. Okay, so like imagine a couple of systems. A system is sending purchase order information buyer. For example, I will tell you simple reason. Okay, um, you are entering. You would like to buy iPhone on certain portal. Okay, you can take Flipkart, Amazon. I'm telling you, that's what you are seeing outside of the web portal. Okay, so that means which color you will choose it in your cart, and what is the GB. Okay, 128 GB or 256 GB or 512 GB, 1 terabyte. So you can choose the specification, color, and how much quantity you want it. Okay, you'll choose it. When you enter this, you imagine, okay, that system is the buyer system. When he's buying on the web portal, I'm telling eBay or whatever you take the portal, I'm just telling an example. In this scenario, I'm just giving a theoretical example. Probably they might use a SAP at backend or not. Okay, what's this information you entered that will be converted into the XML? After that, it will be converted into IDOC. The IDOC is going to create either purchase order. You can able to create it in SAP system. After that, it will be converted into sales order directly. Sales order also can be created, depends on the scenario. Okay, so such a case, you will have a basic types like order 01, 02, 03, 04, 05. You can use any one of the version. This is the first version. When SAP release, this is with 01. Then uh, he is going to modify or add new fields version to version. So this is the latest version. Always it is suggestible to use latest or latest before version. It depends on the situation of it permits. Okay, so this is called, you can see this religious, okay, tick mark. Okay, When you see this, okay, I'm sharing the screen again. Let's come here. So order 0. Okay. So when I click this, you can able to see all the different kind of segments. You have the segment. You will have basically what is the structure? You will have header segments and item segments, and a lot things need to learn. If you really want it, you can probably can give a try. My IDOC course, it will give an edge for you. Okay, so that's what I would like to say. So when you come back, so basically I have explained the 5 scenarios. Okay, purchase order creation, purchase order to sales order creation, sales order acknowledgement, and a delivery notification, shipment notification, and invoice 5 scenarios. That is most frequently used by uh, every client, or else not all 5 might not be used, depends on the requirement. They will use 1 or 2 also. Most of the times they will use invoice. Okay, that also have a chances. So, so this is how you can able to find the latest version. So let's see. Let me put okay, this again, press F4. Yes, I kept it wrong. Yes, keep the star. And probably you are watching the right screen. That's not my expectation. And let's press again from your keyboard. Okay. So it has a single version. Let me share the screen. Okay. This is your delivery notification. Once I entered, let me share the screen. Okay. So if you would like to see, this is the basic structure. So I would like to tell you one thing. This is the basic type or your IDOC type. There is something called extension. Suppose you created any custom. This is by using this transaction, you can able to create IDOC type also that I have already explained. Okay. For example, uh, let's copy this. Okay. If you want, you can create it as a new, or else you create it as a copy also. Okay. So let's keep G DLB test. If I want, I can able to create like this. Okay. Delivery new requirement. Let me keep. I'm just giving. This is meaningless. Also, no issues. Okay. So 1 second. This is this. Yeah. I'm trying to copy this. Let me take this one. Sorry. Let's click on create. Let me share the screen again. Okay. So if you want, you can create it as an extension or copy. You can able to do that. Don't get into that. This is basically ABAP's job. Okay, either extension or else a basic. As it is, if you want, you can able to copy it. The transaction code is W30. Okay, don't worry about that. So just try to find what are all this message type. Let me take, for example, invoice, right? Let's click on F4. And let me share the screen again. Now you can able to see the latest version is invoice 0 in this system. Okay. So in this way, we can able to, for creating or for extending, you can able to use this one. Okay. So this is how the IDOC system will be here. Okay. Let's catch up in next session. I'm going to show you what is the latest version of your message or segments or message also, message types also. I will show you that one. Okay. Thanks for joining the session. Thanks so much. I wish you all the best. Jai Bharat.